most people are used to the traditional way of doing their portfolio. You just having maybe a website or maybe having it on someone else's platform, maybe like Behance or so. Nowadays, you have to top up your game, okay? Clients want to know you at a very personal level, and the only thing capable of doing that is you having a video of your work. Now, I'm not talking about a reel, because a reel simply consists in a number of your jobs. You just get to show your clients in a particular order, okay? I'm not talking about a reel, I'm talking about a video portfolio. Me, I've tried it personally, and I have something I've made, and I've used it over the years. Just something that's just a very short video. That's the amazing about a video portfolio. You just take maybe 2 minutes or even 1 minute to just pitch. What are you going to be offering to the client? This is better than an interview because you are not tense, because you are just you and your camera, okay? So that's what I'm going to be teaching you today. But before I teach you anything, I just want you to take a look at mine so we can proceed to you doing yours, okay? So let's look at it.
I think the most difficult thing to do is communicating. Communication is a difficult process. That's why you end up trying to say something and you are being misunderstood and here and that. But relating to brands, or relating to businesses and brands, business owners find it quite difficult to communicate what they represent, which results the end user or the consumer misinterpreting what the brand represents. And I think that is very paramount in business. You might find a very, very good brand, they are good at what they do and all that, but in aspect of communication, they don't just do it well. You might see a brand that is very poor in delivery, but the way they carry themselves, you find out that people tend to perceive them highly. My name is Ekere Modobra. I'm a brand specialist. I work with several brands, help them to communicate what they
So that's mine. I know you noticed a lot of things. Me having to put my work side by side while I was talking and things like that. That's how amazing a video portfolio is. They don't get to know you at personal level just alone. They get to see your work as you speak, okay? So today I have just a few points to give you so you can make yours. Your own does not have to be as sophisticated as mine, okay? All that matters is that we want to see you. Your video should be at least a bit clear. It doesn't have to be very sophisticated, using the best camera that you... No. So I'm just going to give you a few points on how you can create yours. And I advise everybody watching me and all designers out there, create yours. And at the end of the day, just send it to me. If there's a little edit to do, I will just sacrifice my time to tell you, okay, you have to put this in place or put this in place. But that will be when we are done with this video, okay? So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is to clearly define what you do, okay? I know you watched mine, and even though I was saying a lot of things, I was very specific. I do brand identity. You know, most persons are very gifted. They have a lot of things they do. They do brand identity. They do graphics design. They do UI UX. See, doing a video portfolio is not a time you want to market all your skill. You have to be specific. Even if you are going to be talking for 2 minutes, you have to be specific. Define what you want to market. That is the first thing you have to consider, okay? And if you took note of mine, I was very specific about offering my clients or my prospective customers brand identity design services, okay? That was just what it was all about. So you have to get to know yours. If you are UI UX designer, fine, then you just clarify that and make sure it is well defined, okay? Number 2 is that you want to show them that you are an expert in what you do, okay? Apart from making maybe a nice video, those things show your expertise also, but you want to communicate effectively and let your client or your prospective customers, let them know that you are a professional. Let them know that you are an expert at what you do, okay? You don't want to say things that are not professional. You want to use professional terms, things like this. This is not time to use half-baked terms. Most times I advise people to script it, okay? Script it. Have a script of what you want to say. Read it over and over again. If you have to change some languages, change it so they know that you are professional. You are trying to convince these guys here. You are trying to convince them do not forget. Okay, you have to be confident. No matter how you use the maybe professional terms and this that and try to tell them that you know what you're doing, try to shoot up. If you are not confident about it, if you are not bold in communicating it, this is a video now, it's not a picture. All your emotions must be intact. You must be bold. Your eye contact must be on the camera. Stop looking at the camera and you're looking down like this and you are not bold. It means no matter what you say, they won't be they will not be convinced that you know what you are doing. Okay, so you want to speak boldly, you want to look straight at the camera as though you are looking at somebody, as though you are looking at your client there, looking at them, talking to them. You want to be bold in your speech. You don't want to be shaky. You don't want to be shaking your tone. If possible, learn communication. Take out a few time. Learn communication. It will help you not only for that video, but when you get to meet a client physically. Okay, don't shiver. Be bold. If possible, take it as many times as possible until you get a perfect shot. Okay, so that is number 3. So number 4, lastly, and I think is the most important. Okay, I think it's the most important because there are many persons that are into what you do. So you want to show them how unique your services are. Okay, so number 4 is showing them your uniqueness. Okay, uniqueness in delivery, uniqueness in the spice you are going to add, the juice you are going to add to what you are giving them. So you want to tell them about what makes you stand out, what makes you unique, what makes you different from the other persons that are in the same field with you, because at least your client, they have people that do maybe what you do around them. So why would they leave those persons and come to you? Why? What is that thing that makes you unique? Okay, and while you're mentioning that, or before you mention that, you could tell them that, okay, this is the problem that you could be facing and this is how I would uniquely solve it. Okay, remember, all this should not be more than 2 minutes. You don't want to bore anybody. In fact, 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay, you don't want to bore people with your video. Nobody's going to watch 3 minutes video, not talking of 10 minutes video. Like what I said in the previous points, you have to script it and check it over and over again. Okay, it has to be short and yet it has to still be effective. Okay, so this is it for this video, and I believe I have opened your eyes to something, okay, that would help you. And something else that is good about this is that you can use it to create an ad. Okay, for some persons that maybe make ads, maybe Facebook ads or other forms of ads on different platforms, you can just put this video and just blow the video up, just boost it. So I want to see your video portfolio. Send it to me. You can send it to my DM. Send the script to my DM even before you shoot, so that you know shoot and start cutting again. Okay, you can just send it to my DM and I'll create the time. I'll sacrifice some time to help you edit it. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you believe this video has been maybe of help to you, you can subscribe. Okay, subscribe. In fact, subscribe. Okay, subscribe, and just maybe put something on the comment section if you have any question, or if there's anything you don't find clear, you can comment right on the comment section. Okay, like this video also and share. Okay, so goodbye, see you next time.